Courtney Williams, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Emagine Solutions Technology. We transform a doctor's cell phone or tablet into an ultrasound machine.
So would you walk us through really quickly, how did the idea for the company come about, and what were your first steps when you were reaching out trying to figure out how to move it forward?
All right, so the idea actually came from a real world problem. A couple of years ago, my sister had a really difficult pregnancy. The whole process kind of made us wonder, with this such a high risk pregnancy, luckily, she and my nephew Josiah are fine today, and they're living, happy, healthy lives, but kind of made us wonder what would happen if they hadn't had access to that technology, what could have been the outcome. And we found out that actually every year 300,000 women, moms, die from preventable causes related to pregnancy and childbirth. It started to make me wonder, how can we fix this? What can I do? Because my sister could have been one of those women. We began thinking, since cell phones are really the future of so many aspects of our lives, there are more cell phones than toilets, and mobile devices are multiplying faster than humans, so why not use that platform that pretty much every health worker in the world has, and use that to deliver really good quality ultrasound at a really affordable price. And you can actually save 100,000 lives every year just with this one piece of technology that we all take for granted. So we got to work. So many ultrasound machines cost, the price of a US car or more, and not every clinic can afford that. Some ultrasound machines are, $200,000 or $300,000. And also the issue of electricity, the issue of not knowing how to operate the machinery or being able to get it serviced. The first step is sort of build the team and then divide and conquer, and that's what we've started to do. We got our start actually, our first ever pitch competition that we researched was the YWCA Innovate Her Challenge. We'd been working on this as a team, all of us sort of moonlighting our startup, and the real impetus for the change to going full time was actually participation in Startup Tucson. So last summer, on a whim, I decided to apply for the YWCA Innovate Her Challenge. But the best thing that came out of the YWCA competition was actually meeting Startup Tucson. They were there. It's true. They were there, and the Startup Tucson team actually invited us to participate in the Thrive Weekend program. We did the Thrive Weekend program, won runner-up, and then decided to move on to the fuller Thrive program. That was really exciting, and all the support and the mentorship and the guidance that we received through Startup Tucson was really key for us to decide, all right, let's continue this journey and push it further. I decided to throw our hat in the ring for IdeaFuning, which is Southern Arizona's largest pitch competition. It's really important, it's part of 10 West. It's really our biggest entrepreneurial event of the year. Lo and behold, did the pitch, and we're so excited that we actually won. And so since IdeaFuning, we've been able to use those funds to actually develop our prototype, make these really key changes in our software based on customer feedback, doing tons and tons of customer interviews. And now today, we're at a point where we have a product that is actually, we've gotten feedback really recently, it's a beta product that is actually sellable, that can be utilized in a clinical setting to help make diagnosis, to help improve patients' lives and their outcomes. So if it wasn't for Startup Tucson, and for all the support and the mentorship and their connections to AZCI, I wonder where we might be right now. This amazing community has really helped us push our venture forward. We've been able to get answers faster, pivot faster, and be able to develop our idea into a real venture. So I'm very thankful for all of the work that Startup Tucson has provided and done. We are working on building a great business, but we're also really working on making an impact and helping others.